Hi, my name is Brenny and I'm the coordinator of instructional tech in Columbus, Indiana. In my role, I serve as the sole district technology coach. I've presented about G Suite tools at the state and national level on accessibility features in G Suite. This passion came from my experience as a teacher in a school with full inclusion of special education students. With the built-in accessibility features in Chrome, G Suite, and Chromebooks, my students, even those with vision, cognitive, and hearing impairments, were empowered with the tools to learn, and I was empowered with the tools to create accessible learning experiences for them. G Suite has transformed the educational landscape by bringing assistive technology tools to our fingertips. As more teachers turned to digital tools during the pandemic, it became even more important that teachers receive ongoing technology help on how to make their digital resources accessible. I would like to become a Google certified trainer so I can open teachers' eyes to the importance of accessible digital content and show how G Suite can be leveraged to provide accessible, flexible learning experiences for students. Speaking of accessibility, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Slides to add audio, video, visuals, and text to make a more accessible learning activity for your students. Because Google Slides allows you to insert all types of media, it is great for accessible vocabulary. The first thing I'll do is make a table for me to add my content. So, add my 4x4 through the Insert button in Table and add it here. Next, I'll insert a text box. And my vocabulary term is river. I can get a definition, all in Google Slides itself. So I'll highlight, go to Tools, and select Dictionary, where I can get a definition of the word. From here, I can copy the term and paste it over here on my slide. If I need additional help and want to add in a picture so I remember what a river looks like and I need to see it, I can go to Insert, Image, which pulls up a Google image search of the term, which I can insert into my slide. To see and hear what a river means, I can also add a video. I can go to Insert, Video, or I can do a Google search of what is a river, click a video, and insert it. And this is something that I can do as a teacher to give my students as a resource, or they can do as an activity on their own to build their understanding. If I want to see examples of what this word means, I can also search the web within Google Slides. I can go down here to the Explore tab, which brings up a Google search, where I can search rivers. It will bring up websites that show rivers of the world. I can add a hyperlink by just clicking and dragging my resource over, and now I have additional resources on my page. So this is how you can make a more interactive, dynamic, accessible learning activity for your students.